You're very welcome. I'm glad I could be of help. Hello, my name is Garry Salomon. I'm a New Jersey personal injury lawyer and partner at Tenex Davis Saperstein and Salomon. This morning I heard about a tragic bus accident that occurred at the Port Authority building in New York City. Apparently, 13 or more people were injured, had to be hospitalized. So here's some free legal advice to those that were injured because this is extremely important. Normally, there is a 2-year statute of limitation to sue for injuries in New Jersey. And since this may involve New Jersey Transit, the place where the lawsuit could take place is the state of New Jersey. But that 2 years is different for somebody that's injured by a public entity, which New Jersey Transit is, a public entity. So when a public entity is involved, such as a city, a state, a county, police department, New Jersey Transit, a Board of Education, a notice of claim must be filed within 90 days on a special form delivered to a special address. For New Jersey, this form is called Claim for Damages Against New Jersey Transit. The form is a little complex and somewhat comprehensive. It's important to have a lawyer guide you with this process because if you do not fill this form out against New Jersey Transit and the state of New Jersey and possibly the state of New York, you might be barred forever from bringing a lawsuit because you only have 90 days to do this. If you try to do it afterwards, you need special permission from a Superior Court judge to file a late notice of claim, and that is almost impossible to get unless somebody was paralyzed or unconscious or had other very, very serious injuries. So my advice to you is call a lawyer. Our firm has a lot of experience in suing New Jersey Transit, both the bus and rail systems, as well as several other bus operators. So please feel free to give us a phone call for free advice and consultation as far as your rights are concerned. Again, this is very complicated stuff. We can be reached at 201-444-4444. That's 201-444-4444. I wish all involved a speedy recovery.